Jackson here, and welcome back to another video. And guys, today I have a question for you. Have you ever wanted to be a great warrior in China? Well, here's what I'm about to watch. I was watching Kung Fu Panda 1, 2, and 3 the other day, and I thought, why not make it funny? Make it more funny than it's supposed to be. So we're gonna be watching. So I just searched onto the interwebs to find like a YTP that could be just perfect for Kung Fu Panda, and I found the perfect one. Kung Pan Fu. Yes, guys, Kung Pan Fu. It's the best YTP ever. I heard it, I saw it on YouTube, and I thought, why not just react it? Yeah. And guys, before we start this, reaction, this YTP, I just want to say, I am so excited. My channel's birthday is almost so close. It's almost here. Only 4 more days away. So if you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, you are invited. And make sure, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and leave a big fat thumbs up on this video, because we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I need all your guys' help to get there. But guys, I'm not stalling. Let's just get into this YTP. So, alright, let's hit. I haven't seen this yet, by the way. This is super new.
Tales of a
I just
legendary
need to fix my headset, but let's just watch.
warrior who said nothing, for his mouth was full. I see you like to chew.
You know what, Nimon?
Chew my fist! The warrior said... I see... The warrior swallowed. And then he said nothing. Maybe I should chew my fist! The warrior
say something!
You're so attractive.
What? Oh, yep.
Monkey!
She just he just sees his panda sticking out his tongue. Okay. He's running away.
What are you doing up there? All that noise.
Oh, nothing. Just, noodles.
Noodles?
Yeah. What else?
You were really doing noodles?
Yeah.
Really?
I was dreaming about... Monkey!
Lucy's being honest.
We should hang out. Zing!
Wow, I never knew Poke and fart like rockets.
Fly to Chalgum prison and tell them to double the doubles, double the tie lungs.
How was that edited, though? How did they edit that into, like, Master Shifu's mouth?
Bring it, man. Double the down, not double the witty kitties. You damn wit. What? It's the message, you dog.
I'm just the messenger.
I'll give you a message for your master.
Oh, Zhang. Excellent. I could use some good news right now.
Thailand is free! Possible.
That's the news that these gives it? That's Thailand escape.
What?
Fly to Chalgum prison and tell them to die.
Yes, Master Shifu!
Finally, our battle will be lit.
Just roll the credits after that. Tai Lung just fell off a mountain. Or
Double the doubles, double the doubles, double the down. What? Double the bring it. What?
You fool.
What?
wow.
Take that, you furry air freshener.
Furry air freshener wrecked by tigers.
You can't defeat me. You
This
think
is definitely not the Tai Lung I remember.
I'm a fool?
Yes!
I knew that was gonna happen.
Where's the Dragon Warrior? I'm the Dragon Warrior.
Is he talking
You
about
think
himself?
you're the Dragon Warrior? I
Talking
think
to
so.
himself.
I know you're not the Dragon Warrior.
I definitely knew that Tai Lung fell into Luke with Luke.
So you're the legendary dragon warrior, hmm?
Yeah.
Wrong.
Is it?
Monkey. Wrong.
It's you!
Wrong. Flabby.
Those are sensitive.
You are not the Dragon Warrior. You will never be the Dragon Warrior until you are the Dragon
Stop
Warrior.
spanking him.
What?
I love those eye filters. It's so much fun.
Take it easy.
Now listen closely.
My tenders.
He just got
I've had a
launched out
long
like a ping
and
pong
rather
ball.
long day, so go away. Thanks.
Hi.
Monkey. Who are you?
Sorry about that.
Rafiki
This
from
is
Lion
my
King.
room, so
How did you get in there?
It's just, oh man, I'm such a big fan. You guys were totally amazing
Comment down below if you think this is really funny so far, because we're only 3 minutes in. This is so much fun.
at the battle.
This should have been the original movie.
Master Tigress,
Or maybe not.
you're so much bigger than your action
Does he
figure.
care, Poe? Get out.
Get out.
Okay. Seem a little bit awkward.
Oh, stop it!
With whoever is making that sound, quiet down.
Oh, that is it!
Just Tigers couldn't handle Poe to the floor.
I have
Stop with the rockets.
It's very bad news. Master, your vision. Tai Lung has broken out of prison. He's on his way.
That is good news.
Master,
He's working
that
with
is
Tai
not
Lung.
good news.
Peaches.
Why does it look like he has a face on
Cannot
his head?
defeat Tai
Obviously he
Lung.
does, but like on the like
Peach can stop him.
Peach can. Following. No, I was expecting a SpongeBob following the day, but you know what? It's fun. You know them.
So where is this Peach?
Wow, I can't believe that Peach did nothing.
I don't want that. You
Peach?
will never see that scrub Tai Lung.
Woody? What the freak is Woody doing here?
Who are you?
Oh boy, am I glad to see you!
Woody?
What are you gonna do, big guy?
You're in the wrong universe, pal.
Just a sec.
You're in the wrong You're supposed to be in Toy Story, not Kung Fu Panda. This is not the Tai Lung I remember from the Directed by Woody. You just get launched out again. Man, I want this to be the actual movie. He just get. How is he not dead?
You stink.
Random comment. That's a lot of fish. See you later.
Is there an end scene? No, there's not. Guys, I guess that was basically just Kung Pan Fu. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this video, by the way. It was super funny. Guys, comment down below your favorite part. My favorite part was every part. But guys, if you want to see more YTPs and gameplay on this channel, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. And so you scratch that like button. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!